Patrick, here's a video for the car. So you start it up. Rev it a little bit. And again. No, rev it a little bit. Just once a little bit. And again. Go on. That's it.